In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix no internet connection error on Amazon Kindle app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, if you are experiencing this error, most likely it's due to your internet connection or your app has experienced a glitch. In any of this, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Now to do this, first make sure that you have stable internet connection. As you can see, I'm using Wi-Fi, so make sure it is connected and you have strong internet connection. If you're using mobile data, also turn it on before you can use Kindle app. However, if you don't have any issue with internet connection, then check and see if you have any VPN app on your phone that is turned on. For this, you need to disable or turn off your VPN or proxy app before you can use your Kindle, because this might be the reason you are facing this issue. If this does not fix the issue, then go to settings on your phone, and from settings look for apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps or all apps depending on your phone. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Kindle, and if you tap on it, you'll be on Kindle app info page. From here, first go to for stop app to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and then clear cache and okay, and again clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone and then go to your Kindle app, and now everything should be okay and you shouldn't have now any issue. So in most cases that should fix your issue. But should this not still work, then check and see if you have any update for Kindle app from Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. So I'll check for Kindle here and I'll run the search. And now if you open it, update your app to the latest version and try to use it. Now at this end, everything now should be okay. But should you still encounter any challenge, then most likely Kindle app has experienced a server error. For that, you need to check back after some few minutes. The issue should be resolved and now your app should be up and running. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.